welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this 11 by 14 canvas and I'm going to do a flip cup. Do I want to do 2 little cups? I think I'm going to do 2 little cups. Changed my mind at the last second. Let's do 2 little flip cups and we'll do it kind of like that, maybe. We'll see what we get. And I wanted to do kind of like a galaxy, like a dark sky. So we got some black. We got some of this. I'm gonna try this because I haven't tried it yet. It is Diamond Hard by Magic Paints, interior exterior acrylic satin that I got at Hobby Lobby. Then we are gonna do some iridescent dioxazine purple. I got some iridescent medium from Artist Loft and mixed it with my dioxazine purple. Then we got Galaxy Blue from FluidArt. And then we got Midnight Blue from DecoArt Americana. We got the Rust-Oleum Silver glitter paint, sterling silver, just a little bit of that. And then I don't know if I'm going to or not, but I have this out just in case. This is Brilliant Magenta with the iridescent medium in it. Both of those are from Artist Loft. The color and the iridescent medium. So I might put a tad bit of that in there. So let's start off with a little bit of black. Just enough to kind of cover the bottom. Then we'll do this. What color is this? This is Midnight Wave. Midnight Wave. A little bit of that dioxazine purple that's iridescent. And Galaxy Blue. That's actually the color that gave me the inspiration for this. And a little bit of the Midnight Blue. A little bit of silver. A little bit of this pink or Brilliant Magenta. And let's do a little bit more of this blue. A little bit more of this blue. And a tad bit black. Okay, that cup's pretty full. Oh, it looks pretty. Okay, let's do the next cup. So I need about a 5.5 ounces of paint, and these cups are 3-ounce cups. So I'm gonna have 6 ounces, or about 6 ounces, so I should be good. A little bit of this blue, some of this silver. I'm gonna try to put that all in there. A little bit of that silver, some of this magenta. And then I did more of this blue. And a little bit more of this blue. And a little bit of black. A little bit of black. Okay. I want to get the rest of this out, this glitter paint. I want to use it all up. So, get some in there. And then we'll put a little bit more in here. Oh, I put a lot in that one. Let's put the rest of it in this one. Okay. All right. We should be good to go. Try not to wipe paint on my face. Okay. So I'm going to move this one off of here. Look at how neat it looks in the cups. It looks so cool in the cups. Okay. So there we go. I'm gonna get them kind of moved over. Ooh, I was wondering how this was gonna react, this right here, because I was hoping it was gonna kind of react like the, what do you call it, like the satin enamels.
Looks so cool, the galaxy.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my black paint and just kind of do my corners while those are draining out a little bit. Just gonna make sure that we got the corners covered. I'm sure I'll have plenty of paint, but this way if there's something that I don't want to stretch off, then I won't have to reach the corners. What are you growling at? We got a new puppy. For those of you that don't know me or are new to my channel, and this is probably new actually to my channel since I just started not too long ago, I have Great Danes. I love them. They are my favorite breed, and we just got another puppy. Her name is Gracie Lou. She's a fawn. Maybe I'll put a clip of her, a picture of her in this video so you guys can see her. She's so cute. She's 9 weeks old. And my big Moosey, my Harlequin boy, he's gonna be 3, is kind of not happy about having a new little sister. But he'll learn to love her. All right. Let's see. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I love that iridescent color. All right. Let's see what we're gonna get with this. So let's go this way first. Just to there. Those are some pretty colors, just to there. I'm just gonna kind of try to walk this around. Of course, got the paint itchies. Bring the weight of the paint back to the center. All right. I want to bring it this way. Bring it back. There's some neat cell stuff going on here. I'm going to turn this around. And we'll go back and forth. Go off that way. Come back. And then go that way. Off that corner, bring it back. Oh, this is so pretty. Go off that corner, bring it back. And then I want to go off at this corner. So let's get it flowing down that way. Get the weight of the paint over to that side. And then we'll go off. It went off. Bring the weight of the paint back to the center. All right. There we go. Woo-wee. That is gorgeous. I'm just gonna touch up the spots that didn't get completely covered from the paint going over. That all looks good. Get this corner, get this spot. Oh, I think I might have to do this again. Pull out another one. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Holy cow. And I don't even think it's coming across on camera what you guys, oh my gosh. That glitter paint from Rust-Oleum and that iridescent in there is amazing. Holy cow. Okay, let's get our torch and let's pop the bubbles and see if we can get anything to pop up. Get some cells going. I got some lacing. I got some cells. Oh, this is beautiful. I think I'm gonna have to do another one, you guys. I'll do that off camera, but I'm gonna do another pour with these colors. This is beautiful. I wanna do it on a bigger one. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it up and hopefully you guys will be able to see some of the details. Can you see that? I'm sorry, I have my fan on above me, so it's kind of getting in there. But look at that. Holy cow, it is so pretty. Okay, I'll probably take you off and do a close-up. Of course, like all my videos, I will put a picture or some pictures, some close-up pictures and stuff like that at the end so you guys can see. But I think I'm actually gonna do a close-up of this one too. So, thanks for watching. I'm gonna take the camera down and do a oh, I just got something in there. Actually, okay. I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up. Close-up, look at that. This is the bottom corner. That is the top. Look at all that glitter in there. It is so pretty. Look at the webbing and the lacing. Super gorgeous. And those little cells popping up. I think that's that blue satin acrylic. So pretty. Trying to get the glare off of it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Look at that iridescent brilliant magenta in there. Oh, so pretty. Okay guys, well that is it, and I will put some pictures in for you guys. Thank you for watching, and oh, I put you guys back up crooked. Sorry. Got you up there crooked. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to get notified of future videos that I post, make sure you click that bell so you get notified. And I am definitely going to add some pictures for this because the camera is not doing it justice right now. And I'll see you guys soon. Have a wonderful evening or day, morning, whatever it is for you. It's evening for me.